Rio Carnival is one of the biggest parties on the planet, but for scammers, it's also hunting season. In this video, I'll show you the top 7 scams tourists fall for during Rio Carnival, and how to avoid them so you only bring home good memories, not regrets. First up, the classic free gift scam. On the beach or near the Sambadromo, someone ties a bracelet on your wrist or hands you a souvenir, telling you it's free or a blessing. Once it's on, they suddenly demand money and may call over friends to pressure you into paying way too much. How to avoid it? Keep your hands close to your body, say no, obrigado firmly, and never let anyone tie anything on you if you didn't clearly agree to a price first. At Copacabana, Ipanema, or street parties, some vendors quote one price at the start, and a very different one when the bill arrives. This includes super expensive chairs, umbrellas, or drinks you never realized you ordered. How to avoid it? Always ask the price before you sit down or order. Confirm if prices are per person or per item, and check the bill line by line before paying. You're trying to withdraw cash, and a friendly local appears to help you with the machine or card settings. While they distract you, they watch your PIN or secretly swap your card, then drain your account later. How to avoid it? Never accept help at an ATM. Cover your PIN, use machines inside banks or malls, and if anyone gets too close, cancel the transaction and walk away. Outside airports, bus stations, or big carnival blocks, fake taxi drivers or unregistered cars may offer you a cheap ride. You get in, and suddenly the meter is broken, or they take a long route, doubling or tripling the price. How to avoid it? Use official taxi stands or trusted apps, check the license plate, make sure the meter is on, and agree on an estimated price or route before you start. For Blocos or Sambadromo events, scammers may sell fake tickets or VIP access on the street or through unofficial links. You only discover it's fake when you're refused at the gate and your money is gone. How to avoid it? Buy tickets only from official websites, verified vendors, or your accommodation. Avoid last-minute street offers that sound too good to be true. In busy carnival areas, some bars and restaurants add mystery items, service fees, or incorrect quantities to your bill, hoping you're too tired, tipsy, or confused by the currency to notice. Reddit, https www.reddit.com/r Brazil comments 1G6R4OddL How to stay safe while in Rio during Carnival. How to avoid it? Ask if service is included, keep track of what you order, and calmly question any item you don't recognize before paying. If they refuse to correct it, be firm and ask for a detailed receipt. During street parties, pickpocket teams use dancing, bumping, or sudden chaos to distract you while they grab your phone, wallet, or jewelry. How to avoid it? Carry only essentials, use a money belt or inside pocket, keep your phone out of your hand in crowds, and avoid showing expensive watches or jewelry. Rio Carnival can be an unforgettable experience if you stay alert. Now you know the top 7 scams, you're already ahead of most tourists. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend who's going to Brazil, and follow for more smart travel tips. Stay safe and enjoy Carnival.